Yo, what's up? This is another track for the ladies. J-Dog, Slab Nose, and Drosy, together with a boy, Young One of
K4 Pro.
Baby, I love you, baby, I need you. I promise I was always there to love you. No matter what happens, you'll always be mine. I was thinking of you all the time, in good days and bad days. You are there, hoping this relationship is forever.
Baby girl, now I know the meaning of love. So powerful like a magic totally plan. Kaya't ako na yataan, maswerte nila pagkat ikaw ang nabigay ng halagang di kayang tumbasa, miss kay diamante at ginto.
Pero teka, pwede bang makinig ka muna, wag masyadong mainipin at kumalma ka muna at wala kang katulad. Iba ka sa iba, isa yan sa dahilan kung bakit minahal kita. Halos wala akong masabi sa taglay mong kabaitan, kahit minsan nagagalit ka sa aking kakulitan.
Teka lang, makinig ka saglit. Gusto ko lang naman sana na iyong marinig na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. Inulit-ulit ko na nga para naman maiba. Oops! G-Fam Record.
Say it na